My first opposites with Lucille. The ladybird who's lost without her friend. The ladybird who's lost without her friend. Story by Céline Lamour-Crochet. Illustrations by Jessica Sicolo.
Lucille the ladybird and Kara the caterpillar are inseparable. They are next-door neighbors who live on a small branch of a big tree at the bottom of the garden. "We are best friends in the whole wide world," says Lucille. "We'll always be together," adds Kara. But one morning, on walking, Lucille finds herself all alone. She had fallen asleep next to her friend just like every other evening. Where can Kara be? She worries. The little ladybird sets out to find her friend, but Kara isn't on the little flower that she likes so much, nor on the big flower with the heady perfume. The bird offers to lend a helping hand. "Together, we will find her in no time. Since I can fly higher than you, I'll take a look over the hedge." So Lucille spreads her wings and peers under the hedge, but Kara is nowhere to be seen. Not over it, not under it. The ladybird heads off to look for her friend elsewhere. Reaching the vegetable patch, Lucille spots the rabbit. "Have you seen Kara this morning?" she asks. "No, she wasn't there when I was eating my carrot," the soft and fluffy rabbit replies. "She's not in the bush near my nest either," adds the spiky hedgehog. So the ladybird continues on her quest. Before long, she comes across the dog. "What's the matter?" he asks. "Kara has disappeared without a word. She's never done this before." "Come with me, we'll find her. She might be at my place." The dog takes a look inside his kennel while Lucille searches outside, but the caterpillar isn't there either. By now, Lucille has searched all over the garden without finding Kara. She really has vanished. "How can this have happened?" thinks the ladybird, all sad. At that moment, she bumps into the earthworm, who is whistling away to himself. He's all smiles as he is really happy. His babies have just been born. He is a father. Lucille returns home to her branch. All of a sudden, she catches sight of a cocoon hidden behind a leaf. "Whatever can this be?" she wonders. The ladybird lies down next to the fragile-looking cocoon and decides to keep watch over it night and day. 1 week later, the cocoon begins to shake. Gradually, it opens. The little ladybird cannot believe her eyes when out pops a butterfly. "It's so good to see you again, Kara. I couldn't be happier," cries Lucille with excitement. The end.